you want a faster, better and more hygienic way to make avocado oil at home without the mess or long waiting time, then I will be showing you how to make pure avocado oil at home using a quick and clean stove method. No sun drying, no risk of contamination and no special tools needed. Let's get started. I will need 3 avocados for this recipe, but first, when I got them, they were still unripe, so I had to keep them in a warm place to ripen. That took about 2 days. Now that we have ripe avocados, let me introduce you to my other ingredients. I will need fresh, soft 3 avocados and then any oil of choice. You can either use olive oil, coconut oil or any organic oil, but today I'll be going for coconut oil, which I made myself. So after that, wash your avocados very well. So after washing, into a bowl, cut your avocados into half. Remove the seeds, okay? Peel out the back also. Then scoop out the green flesh into your bowl, okay? Do this for all the avocados, and when you are done with this, set it aside. Next is to turn our avocado into a smooth paste. You can either blend in blender or you can mash it in a bowl just the way you can see me doing in the video. Mind you, when blending your avocado, don't add water. This helps to keep the oil extraction cleaner and helps prevent spoilage. Mix, and when you are done, set it aside. So after blending and getting a smooth paste, the next thing to do is to transfer the avocado paste into a non-stick pan. Okay, non-stick pan. Don't just use any pot at all. It can easily get burnt. Okay. Transfer this to your source of heat. Cook this slowly on a low heat. Stir continuously for about 30 to 40 minutes. Avocado oil isn't just trendy, it's packed with real benefits. Here is why you should keep a bottle nearby. 1. It is rich in non-saturated fats, which helps lower bad cholesterol and supports heart health. Avocado is full of vitamin E and antioxidants. It hydrates, soothes, and even helps with eczema or dry patches. It helps your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, especially when you drizzle it over salads. When you use it as hair mask or scalp oil, it nourishes, adds shine, and can help reduce dandruff. See that avocado oil is not just trendy, it is a must-have for every home. Once the avocado paste starts to darken and you see oil separating, it's time to add your carrier oil. That's because avocado alone doesn't produce a lot of oil, especially with the stove method. So today I'll be using coconut oil, which I made myself. Adding a carrier oil helps to extract more avocado goodness and increases the final quantity. The other great carrier oils you can use are olive oil, sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, or even almond oil. Okay? Just add a small amount and stir it in well while the mixture is still on fire. This method of making avocado oil not only speeds up process but keeps everything hygienic and under control. So when the whole oil is on top floating like this, it's time to take it out of the fire and then let it cool down before sieving out the oil. Now that our avocado oil is ready and cool, it's time to sieve out our golden oil. So pour the mixture in a cheesecloth or sieve placed over a bowl. Squeeze out the golden oil. This is your homemade avocado oil. Squeeze out as much oil from this as possible, okay? So this is the shaft extracted from our avocado. And that's how you make avocado oil the smart way. Better, faster, and more hygienic than the old school sun method. So if you found this video helpful, please smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel Essay Can Cook, and share this video with a friend who love natural beauty or healthy cook. So until next week, when I'll come again with another beautiful and interesting video. God bless you.